Hi, this is DJ Fikri, and today we're going to play on match colors accordingly. So let's see how many colors do we have here? Purple, pink, black, yellow, green. Now let's match according to the pencil color. So let's see. Purple. Ooh, found it. Purple. Check. Next, pink. Yes, pink match. Alright, what about black? I have black, same color. What about yellow? Found it. Ding 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 ding. Last but not least, green. Let's see. Green. Is it the same? Yes, same color. Green. So there are three benefits I want to share with you. The first one is to improve visual perception. As you can see that when it comes to matching colors, right, the most important thing to focus is the visual discrimination. To able to discriminate whether it is the same color or differently. So this helps a lot for the kids to improve their visual discrimination, especially when it comes to doing puzzles, for example, to discriminate the specific details on the object. And next is to improve basic concept, which is matching. As you can see, by doing this, so it helps them to match better in terms of starting from the lowest one is one piece puzzle, then go to wooden alphabet, and then wooden numbers, and then going higher, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. So this is one of the way for them to simply understand matching. When they know how to match well, they can match better with their shirts and pants according to the colors. And last but not least is to encourage more communication, because as you can see that it requires for them to verbally communicate the colors like green, green, yellow, yellow, black. So this is one of the way to encourage more words and a better speech development. And for age appropriate, I would say 2 years and above will be great. So that's all from me. Thank you.